first in overhand. And we'll do the placement drills first. So it's at the bottom, fully extended, then going to the front, opening your hip to the left. We'll do it 4 times and then go up, 2, 3, 4, open to the back, 5, 6, 7, and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, in front, 2, 3, 4, and then up, 2, 3, 4, and then back, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then down, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now look forward, right arm front, 7, 8, right up, 1, 2, 3, 4, right arm back, 1, 2, 3, 4, and down, 1, 2, 3, 4, and front, 1, 2, 3, 4, and up, and then we're gonna go back, and then last set through, and down, 2, 3, 4, front, 2, 3, 4, up, 2, 3, 4, and back, 2, 3, 4, and down, underhand. Bottom, 2, 3, 4, and back, opening to the left, 3, 4, and up, 2, 3, 4, and front, and then coming down, 2, 3, 4, and back, 2, 3, 4, and up, 2, 3, 4, and front. And now if you want extra credit, you can add the other arm in. So it'll be left, back, right, front, not with the poi, but just the arm. And then both up, back to neutral pose, and then left, front, right, back, and then both down, and left, back, right, front, and both up, and left, front, right, back, and both down, and left, back, right, front, and both up, and then we'll move left, front, right, back, and both down, and then here, last set, left, back, left, up, left, front, and down. 2 positions at a time. So it's an overhand in the front, and then we'll go up and over, opening to the right, and then down in front, opening to the left, and then up and over, and down in front, up and over, down in front, and up and over, 6, 7, 8, down in front, 6, 7, 8, up and over, 6, 7, 8, down in front, 6, 7, 8, up and over, 6, 7, 8, down in front, 6, 7, 8, up and over, 6, 7, 8, down in front, and last time up and over, and bring it down. It's gonna go from the back position, it'll go up and over, and then it'll go down and back. So up and over, and then down and back, and then up and over, and then down and back, and up and over, and down and back, and up and over, and down and back, 6, 7, 8, both up and back, and then down and back, and then up in front, and down and back, and up in front, and down and back, and up in front, and down and back. Last time, up in front, and then down. 5, 6, 7, and bottom, back, top, front, 2, back, top, front, 3, back, top, front, 4, back, top, front, 5, back, top, front, 6, back, top, front, 7, back, top, front, 8, back, top, front, 9, back, top, front, and 10, back, top, front, and down. Remember, hands should be down at your side, in line with your leg, fully extended. 5, 6, 7, 8, front, top, back, bottom, front, top, back. 3, front, top, back. 4, front, top, back. 5, front, top, back. 6, front, top, back. 7, front, top, back. 8, front, top, back. 9, front, top, back, and 10, front, top, back, and down.